Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to MindYourCrypto. Today I have MATIC NETWORK POLYGON daily update. Let's see what we will do, guys. Do we have a buying opportunity? Where is the next price target? We will answer all of these questions and of course have a fantastic day wherever you are. If you like the content, please help me with clicking the like button, subscribing, hitting the bell button and share. Thank you so much for the support. You can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. We have so many nice people there, guys, and we help each other every day. So don't miss this opportunity. We are going now to the crazy support and resistance levels 1.20, 1.10, 1.38, 1.48, our major resistance and support levels for the short term. And we will analyze exactly what we will do. You know that I want to get on point with you guys. I don't want to mess around. Let's go to the MACD on the 4-hour frame. You can see we are not going as we wanted. We lost even this support level right now. And now we want to see a bullish cross, which I think we will have on the 4-hour frame and go a little bit upwards from here. But in overall, guys, it doesn't look good for the midterm. I will explain why. Let's go to MATIC against USDT in the 4-hour frame. You can see the oversold situation we are in right now. I expect to go even higher. I expect MATIC to have a swing high. We will analyze exactly where are we going. But for now, the commodity channel index, we are seeing we are in an oversold situation. Same for the relative strength index, guys. We are in an oversold situation below 30 for the RSI. We need to go upwards. We need to approach the purple area right here. So the SSL channel, the red line, is above the green line. You can see we don't have a buying opportunity. However, this might not be the case. Let's go to MATIC against USDT in the daily frame. You can see this indicator here is very, very good. When we have the blue arrow here, we are buying, right? And when we have the red arrow, we are shorting. And you can see that we are buying here and we sell here. So this indicator is good because we take profits. It is a very good indicator, guys, but you can't predict with this indicator exactly the top. But in overall, okay, you take profits, you can see that in general, it is good. You are buying here, for example, you are selling here. You are buying here, you are selling here. So you always take profits. But of course, if you have your own strategy, you can always take more profits. However, this is a helpful tool, right? You can see that we are always having a buying and selling opportunities. This is very, very good. And let's go to the RSI, guys. The RSI on the daily frame, we can go lower, but eventually now we will stop here. And I believe we will be going upwards from now on for the daily RSI. For the daily commodity channel index, we are below -100, a critical oversold situation, and that is the reason the RSI will move upwards as well. The MACD, guys, looks extremely awful, but if you just watch this, we have more buying opportunities as we dip, and therefore, guys, there is nothing bad and nothing only bad and nothing only good, right? When there is a worse time to come, there is a good possibility that can give birth to the bad thing goes afterwards. And we, of course, now we are having a buying opportunity here as we dip down. The more we dip down, the better the buying opportunity we have, right? So guys, if you have a bad situation, always remember that the worse it becomes, the higher the buying opportunity we have, right? MATIC against USDT on the daily MACD. Let's go now to MATIC against Bitcoin. You can see on the 4-hour frame, we have approached almost the support level. I don't know if we can go further down, guys, from this here support level, the 0.786. I believe we will have a swing high. Look at what extremely oversold situation we are right now. Below 30 the RSI, below -100 almost. We are now approaching a little bit above the commodity channel index. I'm not sure if we can fall more down on the 4-hour frame. However, this doesn't mean that we are going to previous highs, right? It means that we will have a swing high and we can go against Bitcoin. If that's enough, we will see it afterwards, because if Bitcoin drops, then going against Bitcoin, that doesn't mean that MATIC against USDT, Tether USD will go upwards, right? It means that it goes against Bitcoin. For example, if Bitcoin drops here and it drops even more, then that doesn't mean that MATIC will go upwards in the terms of the USDT if MATIC goes against Bitcoin. Okay, so you need to have that in your mind And of course though, this is very, very good. We need to go against Bitcoin. Don't get me wrong, guys. It is very, very good to go against Bitcoin. And right now you can see that we want to go upwards. We want to move upwards and we can have the swing high. We have some resistance levels going on, but I think we will have a swing high momentum soon. The 4-hour frame MACD is a little bit like the MATIC against USDT Tether USD, right? So we need to be careful. Let's go now to the daily frame to discuss some things here. First of all, we found support level on the 50-day MA almost. You can see here we are in extremely oversold situation on the daily frame. The RSI, guys, it is the same around as the MATIC against USDT. I think this is the lowest. We will move upwards from now on, and as we move upwards, this is good. Although I'm not so sure how fast we can reach our previous highs, but this is good as well on the daily frame. We are hoping to go even higher from now on. The MACD is bad, but as long as we are going down, the better buying opportunity we have. All right, so let's go now a bit to MATIC against USDT, guys. I will firstly go to the 4-hour frame, and you can see something beautiful going on. I've drawn the gun fan tool starting from the bottom here, guys, 18th April 2021. The reason is I want to find a major support level as we're going on and on. And you can see the 4-1 gun fan line is our bottom trend line for now. So right now we will have a swing high. I believe we can have the swing high. Does this mean though that this bottom trend line is a tool that we can identify the bottom? Yes, it is, but we have another gun fan line right here. So eventually, of course, after the swing high, we can drop down from this line. There's nothing telling us that this is the bottom trend line, right? We can fall down on this line. However, for the short term, guys, if you can see, and I can zoom out a little bit so you can see it better, that we have an oversold situation. We have the 1.20 as support level. We are having an extremely oversold situation, and therefore we expect MATIC to move upwards, right? To move from now here upwards. And if I'm not wrong, this is a 4-hour, this is in the 4-hour frame, this is a hammer candle, guys. You can correct me if I'm wrong. I'm not sure, but I think this is a hammer candle, right? So we can see a momentum shift soon for MATIC against Tether. The point is here, where are we going? Are we going to test 1.38 because we have one minor resistance level, guys, going on at 1.33. I believe that if we have a swing high, we can retest the 1.38, we can retest the 1.48, but afterwards we will see what we will do. Eventually, guys, between 1.48 USDT and 1.58, this area right here, guys, is a critical resistance area. If we can surpass this in the swing high, we can go even higher. But I think we will probably stop here if we have a swing high or inside 1.38, 1.48, then we are going downwards. I don't think, guys, that MATIC can approach its previous high pretty soon. The reason is, of course, Bitcoin. Bitcoin might have a swing high here. And the fact is, you know that cares, guys, we have, when we are having a bullish recross here between the 20-day MA and the 50-day MA, we can't go upwards. It seems like from the moment we have the bullish recross, we are going downwards. Same here, guys. From the moment we have the bullish recross, a big bearish candle kept us downwards. The reason is, on the daily frame, you will see now that we found resistance on the 20-day EMA. And I believe, guys, that Bitcoin will go further down, even if we have a swing high. We go 39,000, 41,000, or even 45, we will be going down. We will eventually do something like that, and we will go down to 27,000 USDT. That's why I'm saying that MATIC won't be able to move to its previous highs, right? We need something drastically to happen in order to move upwards. And though the next price targets for the MATIC is the 1.38, don't get me wrong, guys, we are going to have the swing high. It is the most probable scenario here to have the swing high on the 4-hour frame. If you want to swing trade for me, that's fine. But in overall, guys, I don't suggest you to buy here if you expect the MATIC to go for the next 10 or 20 days to reach previous highs. Although we are having a buying opportunity as we go deeper down, guys, we are having a buying opportunity for the long term, especially if we move down from this line, from the gun fan, guys, and we move down, this whole area here is a great buying opportunity for the long term. Trust me, if you buy and wait here, you will surely take profits. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Don't forget to join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. Thank you for watching. See you soon with many more videos. Bye.